In this video, I have compiled a list of the top 5 best hoverboards in the market that are worth buying. So let's get started. Number 5. If you're looking for a hoverboard that is sturdier than most others and built for all-terrain use, look no further than the Cheeror Warrior. With massive 8.5-inch wheels and self-balancing capability, this hoverboard can take a punch better than any other board on our list. It's also the fastest on our list, and one of the fastest hoverboards on the market, with a maximum speed limit of almost 10 miles per hour. Granted, that's not super fast, but it's a decent speed limit that isn't too slow or too powerful. Cheeror claims that its design is inspired by Formula One racing cars. While these features are certainly impressive, you'll want to know that they come at a price. This hoverboard is priced well above $200 at the time of our review. Of course, this price is well worth it to get the all-terrain functionality, solid shock absorbers, and overall durability that the product offers. And with a 1-year warranty to protect you from defects, your purchase is protected well enough. You may also like the best electric scooter list. Number 4. The Segway Mini Pro Self-Balancing Personal Transport is the best all-around hoverboard for those who don't have experience riding personal transport. The adjustable knee bar makes it easy for new riders and experienced riders to maneuver. This is the best Bluetooth hoverboard and also the smoothest ride. It is UL 2272 compliant, with a lithium-ion battery, and features IP54 certification so that it is resistant to water. The unit is lightweight, and the large 10.5 tires deliver a smooth and satisfying rider experience, which also means that it absorbs shocks nicely. The steering column, which extends from the center of the Segway Mini Pro, is cushioned with a pair of knee pads. The customizable LED lights keep you visible and safe at night. The Segway Mini Pro Self-Balancing Personal Transport has a maximum speed of 10 miles per hour and a range of 14 miles. The powerful 800-watt electric motors round it all out. It also features 3 riding modes and a mobile app that provides tutorials, an anti-theft feature, and also acts as a remote control. This is a solid hoverboard, especially for the inexperienced. To steer, you gently lean one knee or the other into the steering column. It doesn't have the power of the best gas-powered scooters, but hey, this is a hoverboard. Number 3. If you're looking for a splurge-worthy hoverboard, the Apical board is equipped to handle all-terrain and travel up to 10 miles on a single charge. Its larger than average 8.5-inch tires are more than capable of handling both wet and dry conditions, and the scooter itself is rated IP56 for water and dust resistance. This hoverboard ensures safety in all aspects of its design, from its UL 2272 certification to its LED turn signals. But it's also incredibly fun to ride thanks to its speedy acceleration courtesy of powerful 400 watts dual motors. Overall, this is a great hoverboard for riders of all abilities and ages. Number 2. Hover One Chrome 2.0 is a great deal for those looking to get a board for play instead of a vehicle for off-roading or commuting. It has some cool fun features, such as LED lights and Bluetooth speakers, and comes in a variety of colors. More importantly, the board is stable at speed, reasonably maneuverable, and has large foot pads, making it more responsive and comfortable. The Chrome 2.0 is light, too, at just 15.2 pounds, so it won't be too difficult for a kid to handle despite its lack of a carry handle. Additionally, this board does pretty well on uneven terrain despite its smallish 6.5-inch diameter wheels. Our critiques of the Chrome 2.0 are minimal and assume that potential buyers are not looking for a board for off-road cruising or commuting. This board is a little sluggish when accelerating and struggles a bit with climbing hills. The battery life could be longer, too. As it is, the rider can travel at full speed for about 40 minutes, 107 minutes for stop-and-go maneuvering. Additionally, the customer service we received wasn't great. Yet, all testers agreed the Chrome was a hoot on the obstacle course. All told, this is plus an easy to-ride board at a good price. Number 1. The Swagtron T6 is a top-tier hoverboard built for all types of terrain. This burly machine has 10-inch pneumatic tires and powerful 300-watt motors, allowing it to traverse most surface types and roll over all but the largest obstacles. This model offers one of the more comfortable platforms, and with a top speed of 11.9 miles per hour, it's among the fastest machines we've reviewed. On top of that, when you purchase a T6, you're not just getting premium performance but reliable customer support as well. Our testers agreed this model is somewhat bulky and more difficult to maneuver with precision than some of its smaller competitors. Due to the heavier weight, it is also a bit of a pain to haul around. Despite these drawbacks, if you're seeking a serious board for off-road riding, look no further than the T6. Thanks for watching, guys. That's all for now. I hope you guys liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment and subscribe. Hope to see you guys in the next video.